Hey guys, I just got back from the grocery store and I've brought myself a whole heap of nice fresh ingredients. So what I'm going to cook today is bacon and eggs. I've got mushrooms, halloumi, cherry tomatoes, avocado, Turkish pie and some hash browns, some spinach and some eggs. So that's what you're going to need. Okay. So the bacon, I got half a kilo for $8.94. Not too bad. This is my avocado that I brought, $2.70. These are my mushrooms. They're the buttons. And they cost like $1.50. Cherry tomatoes, I think they're $3. Hash browns, 2 of them, 50 cents each. There's $1. And I got some halloumi cheese. That was actually expensive. That was $6, I think, for that tiny block. And the eggs were, I don't know, I don't have the receipt with me. Doesn't matter. But all up, you're going to have a beautiful big breakfast for around 15 bucks, I'd say. First up, I'm going to put all these eggs away in the fridge. Excellent. I love the jumbo eggs. So all you really need to make yourself a beautiful big breakfast is these few ingredients. Then you get yourself a toaster and a fry pan. And let's get to it. First off, let's get this bacon cooking. You need a fry pan and a bit of oil. Now we've got the stove on, getting heated up. Let's get a cutting board and chop up our avocados, our halloumi and our mushrooms. Some hash browns. Oh yeah. Let's get them in the air fryer. Let's make a coffee too. Okay, so now we've got our hash browns on, kettle's on. Let's chop up some mushrooms. Slice open our av. Get out some bacon. Clean up as you go. Oh yeah, get that bacon sizzling. Kettle's boiled, so I use 2 of them in my big cup. Coffee, teaspoon of sugar. These tomatoes are quite large, so I'm going to just chop them in half. Some halloumi, 3 chunks of that, bacon. Oh yeah, look at that. Check your hash browns are cooking alright. Flip them over. Get some Turkish pie. Into the toaster. Your favourite plate. Need a big one. This big Brekkie. Beautiful crunchy bacon's ready. Let's get these mushrooms on. You want to wipe out the grease out of there. Get yourself a heap of butter. Put your mushrooms. Even get a bit of garlic in there and make it, you know, yummy. Bit of oil for the eggs to sit in. Salt. Nice crispy bacon there. Might put some spinach down, like a so. Your avocado, you've got to get out. There. Now we want to get some butter on our lovely toast. There we go. Put everything away. Look at that. Lovely crispy hash browns here. Delicious mushrooms. Ever so yummy. Halloumi. Fresh eggs. There you go. The best big brekkie you can ever do for yourself. Yum! There you go, guys. The yummiest big brekkie you can make for yourself. Absolutely delicious. So we've got nice hot coffee. We have a heap of Turkish pie, crispy bacon, butter and garlic mushrooms. Halloumi. Oh my god. Avocado and spinach. I love it. Now, I don't care what you say. You can't get better value than if you do it yourself. And it tastes amazing.